Tornado touches down in Mount Laurel for second time in last week. National Weather Service investigators have determined that a small tornado touched Trump's 4th of July event, earthquake in California, tornado in China, way for President Trump's 4th of July event on the National Mall. Fire tornado brings destruction to parts of California. A deadly Northern California wildfire burned so hot in dry and windy conditions that it created a record-breaking tornado of flame, officials said. Winds in the fire whirl created on July 26 near, oh no, tornado warning issued for Michigan.